All right, let's discuss order blocks. So basically, an order block is an area where the big people, the big institutes, the big traders put all their orders, and that causes a big reversal in the market, a big change in the market. All right. So an order block happens at an area where we consider the strong highs and the strong lows. So the strong zones that you'll be working with, the ones that normally are on the higher time frames. Anything that happens on the 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame is useless to us when we're talking about order blocks. Unless if you're looking for a very short trade, if you're a scalper, if you're scalping, then you can use those time frames. But for us, we need something that's on the 1 hour time frame going up, that's more solid. So an order block, if price was going up, an order block would be the last bullish candle before price started falling. So that last bullish candle becomes our order block because that's the area where the big institutes put their orders. So we're saying if price is going up, right? This last bullish candle was our order block, right? So if we wanted a retest after price made this big fall, we wanted to see price hit this area before it can fall down. All right. A good example would be the last bullish candle before price went lower, right? So the last bullish candle before price started going low, right? So price made that bullish candle. This is the bullish candle we're talking about, right? Price made that bullish candle, and then we have price falling. After it fell, it came back up into an order block for a retest before making another drop. All right. So not every area and not every candle is going to be an order block. You have to watch carefully. Something that's significant, something that looks like it's something important can be recognized as an order block. All right. If you look at this area, we had a big rejection here, right? And then price went a little bit lower, came back up, and this became our last bullish candle, right? And then price made a big fall. Price came in again to retest our order block. Probably they were putting more orders in that area, right? And then price continued to fall. All right. And what was your confirmation? This candlestick formation right here, and engulfing candle right there was your confirmation. You can take that as a signal, and you can take this candlestick that broke out below the candlestick formation as your confirmation, and you are good to go. All right. So it's all about patience. Wait for the right trade. All right. Sometimes you'll win, sometimes you lose, but patience goes a long way. Now let's say we are looking at a bearish order block. All right, a bearish order block. What could be our bearish order block? All right, so we could say our last bullish candle before price went higher, right? Our last bearish candle before price went higher. So let's say this area right here is an order block, right? So let's highlight our last bearish candle. This would be our last bearish candle before price went higher, right? Now let's look where price is at. Price has entered our order block. So right now we are waiting to see if price will keep rejecting our order block for it to go higher, or if price will continue to go lower. All right. So right now we can see it as a valid order block, but it's only a valid order block if price actually rejects the order block successfully. All right. So we have price rejecting our order block twice. So we need to see if price is going to go higher. We need to see it coming above our high that was created on our range, because this is now a range. So we need to see price closing above our high, and then price pushing higher. All right, for us to say this is successful order block. If it's not a successful order block, then price can continue going lower as price has a strong bearish trend. All right, so that's basically order blocks. And order blocks is an area that the big institutes, the big companies, anyone who's trading anyone who's trading very high volume places an order, and that changes a big shift in the markets. All right. Another example of an order block, last bullish candle before price went lower, right? That's our last bullish candle before price went lower. It went all the way low. So if we're saying price needs to retest, we might say price needs to retest this area, and then we have price rejecting this, coming all the way up into our order block area, and then we can watch out for a rejection to continue price going lower. So it all depends with the trend and how the market is moving on the higher time frames, but that's the simple version of an order block. I would suggest using the higher time frame order block, something that's on the 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, and then you can use it to your advantage to grab the trades quicker on the lower time frames. All right.